sa patuloy na pagtuklas ng katotohanan at sa walang sawang pagsilbi sa bayan, kapwa, at higit sa lahat, sa Diyos.
The oath of membership will be led by Mr. Joey Montes, Legal Calibus.
Please remain standing, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. Please say your name. Member of Batch 2024 of Daraga Community College. Do hereby pledge my allegiance to my alma mater. Through the association with fellow alumni, I shall ever do my best to uphold the ideals and traditions of our institution. I pledge as a citizen to exemplify the high ideals thus implied, rendering positive service to community, state, and nation, and so to live as ever, to bring honor and respect to alma mater. I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.